Hello, what's up guys? Axel from How to Teach X here. Today we're going to look at the present tense progressive. First of all, if you haven't already, check out our video on the present tense simple first. The present tense progressive, or present progressive in short, is the continuous form. The what? Well, again, in simple terms, the continuous form is just the form where we add an ing in the end. So for example, speak, speaking. When do we use it? For actions happening at the moment of speaking. So for example, Frank is reading a magazine right now. It's happening right now because he's probably sitting on the toilet. We use it for fixed plans in the near future. They are going to Vienna on Saturday, probably to the zoo, and I want to come with them. More on this when we are going to cover the going to future. We use it for temporary actions. I'm working in London this month. Just this month because I'm not from London. Actions happening around the moment of speaking, but kind of longer actions. So, for example, my friend is preparing for his exams. While we are talking, he might be studying, reading a script, writing something down, or just being plain scared because he can't remember anything and he's probably going to fail the test. We use it for trends. More and more people are using their phones to listen to music, of course. Well, what else would they use? Let's be honest, who still uses things like this? Or even like this? Repeated actions which are irritating to the speaker with words that are always, constantly or forever, for example. Andrew is always coming late because he probably does not give a damn and doesn't have a watch. So, just like we covered in the present simple video, there also exist signal words for the present progressive. And I want to emphasize again that signal words do not necessarily need to be in the sentence. Therefore, I recommend understanding what you read and not just look for the signal words. But since I mentioned it, here we go. Present progressive means something is happening right now. So, signal words are, who would have thought, now, at the moment, or right now, for example. But it could also be something like look, listen, because something that is happening right now can be witnessed with our senses. So, smell, hear, you get it. How do we form the present progressive? Some form of to be, am, is, or are. Check out our YouTube shorts for that one. Plus the infinitive of a verb, so speak for example, plus ing. So is speaking, or I am playing soccer. You are playing soccer. He is playing soccer. Those forms can also be contracted. So contracted means to shorten. Just like we had it with the do plus not becomes don't, we shorten things with an apostrophe. Apostrophe is the little comma up there. So I am becomes I am. You are becomes your. He is becomes he's. So I am playing soccer. You are playing soccer. He's playing soccer. Of course, negatives can also be formed with not. So I am playing soccer becomes I'm not playing soccer. Or you are not. Or he is not playing soccer. Contracted form, I am not playing soccer. And you could also use some slang term, don't quote me on this, but I ain't playing. I ain't playing soccer. You aren't playing soccer. He isn't playing soccer. Lastly, questions are formed by reversing the order. I am becomes am I. Am I playing soccer? Are you playing soccer? Is he playing soccer? Those forms cannot be contracted though. Now it's your turn. Write down what these people are doing and pause the video because otherwise you're not going to have enough time. Without further ado, she is listening to music. He is playing the guitar. He is playing video games. She is taking a selfie. She is running. He is sitting or thinking. She is sleeping. Next slide. What are the people doing? She is taking a picture. He is hiking. He is exercising. She is reading. She is cooking. And I am shooting a video. Alright, well done. Watch the video again if there's anything unclear. Comment below what's happening right outside of your window. I want to know. And most importantly, as we have covered the present tense now, new worksheets on English tenses will soon be up on our website. So stay tuned. And as always, if you like our work, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you for your participation and see you in the next video.